myself. Alright, I think this lady, she got ice cream. Hey, ice cream? No? It doesn't look like ice cream, but it's no ice cream. Let's find out the other side. Let's go in there. I don't know if you guys like this kind of place, you know. It's busy all the time, not all the time. Yeah, 7 days a week is busy. You know, a lot of people. It's commercial area. Almost the people from another, I say, small town, they come here to shop, and because the price is more accessible, you can buy very cheap stuff. And here, you know, and it's nice. You can save some money to come here. All right, so walk around. Let's find out. Alright guys, so now you see, they're gonna sing some song here, some music. Let's see. See ya. You see guys, you see the talent these guys have here? You see this guy got a lot of talent. This one and this one. What's it called? Cachorro.
Los cachorros del rancho.
Los cachorros del rancho. ¿Cómo te llama?
Javier Cantú. Octavio de Jesús. Abraham Vázquez.
Guys, thank you very much. I see you on YouTube, okay? Tomorrow. You guys take care. Bye-bye. Take care. You see, this the way you will do. You know, my interest is show the people talent in the street. You know, the way they look. When you do the way I say, I don't try to hurt nobody, but when you deal with drunk people, it's completely different to deal with natural people. You just saw over there, and the guy's very nice people. Everybody try to work hard to survive, to go back to own country. Not too long to live in America. America, you're open for everybody. The country's open for everybody. If you got a chance to come here, just come. You know, this beautiful country. No problem to come to America. All right, but be nice, be nice. In America, you need nice people, hard people. You understand? Doesn't matter what country you're coming from. But if you come to America, come with good intention. Because this country is a very special country. All right, let's walk around again. All right, I think I walk in the same place for about 10 times already. Well, anyway, let's go back to the place. Let's find out. ¿Cuánto cuesta este?
Este reloj es Invicta original. Se lo enseño sin compromiso. Permítame, mijo. Puede revisarlo. Se lo voy a dejar en 120.
Is it waterproof? A prueba de agua?
A prueba de agua, métala al agua, el vaso de cerveza y todo.
Oh man.
El 120 se lo dejo, es automático.
Great.
Es automático. Invicta original.
It's beautiful. Yeah. It's still in the box. Original box. Original box. This is nice.
Yeah.
What country you from?
What?
What country you from?
¿Mi from?
Yeah.
¿Mi país?
Yeah.
Yo soy de Ecuador.
Oh, this beautiful place. Ecuador is a beautiful country. Nice, nice, very nice. All right, brother. Thank you. Ecuadoria. ¿Cuánto? ¿Cuánto? Yes, sir.
Mora.
Yeah,
Solo mora.
yeah. You know, this town here, they got a lot of people from different country. I can ask you one thing, what country you from? Ecuador, you see? Ecuador right here. A lot of people from Ecuador, Colombia, right? Thank you. From different country. It's nice to live a place like this, you know. You can look for your own community. If you don't feel good to stay in your community, go to another community. For everyone, you speak the same language, you're good. Like Colombia, Ecuador, they speak the same language. They speak Spanish. They're not gonna have any problem to make a friendship. You understand? That's one of the reasons most of the people, they like to come here and live here because they stay in your own community. Hey, my friend, how are you?
Good.
What country you from?
Spanish.
Spanish? ¿Qué país tú eres?
Colombia.
Colombiana, ¿de qué parte?
De Bogotá.
Bogotá, Colombia. Un saludo a toda la gente.
Espera.
Let's see here, this guy is very excited to show his country, Colombia. So here? Nice. You're here? This is very nice, very nice.
Siente que viene diciembre.
All right.
Nueva York.
No, gracias. Take care, brother. Take care. So this is the way they do. Let's walk around. You see this one, Mexican? I don't know, man. I see the Mexican flag over there. You got a lot of nice people over here. Let's find out. And here. It's beautiful. Let's see what they have here. Nice, all right? See, I'm back again. I'm Lonely Traveler USA, and here in Roosevelt Avenue in Queens. I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna show you a little bit. Car, cross the street here. Let's find out. All right. Let's walk this way here. Let's see. What do they have? How much is the price for this one here? 45. Nice. Let me take a look. What size is that? 9.5? 9. What country are you from? ¿De qué país eres tú? Oh, Peru. Peruvian. Thank you. See, this guy is from Peru. See? Let's find down here. Let's walk down here. Let's walk down. Let's see what they have. Let's walk down. See Mexican restaurant over there. Colombia. Got a different. Take a look here. See this bridge? See? Nice, right? Metal, I think. The train. See over here, it's a taco from Guatemala. Taco. If you want to eat taco from Guatemala, they have it here. A lot of tacos, and they got a tree. Oh, mexicano. Oh, perdón. Mexicano. Yo pensé que era guatemalteco. Oh, okay, gracias. Okay. Mexicano. Yeah.
For what?
For myself.
For myself?
Yeah, for myself.
Yo, look over there. Me no.
Oh, you not?
No.
How come? ¿Quién puede me ¿Quién call man? Yo puedo llamar a la policía para ti, ¿eh?
Puede llamar a la policía, pero tú nunca tienes que firmar aquí.
Te puedo llamar a la policía para ti. Sí, claro. No, usted no. Quédate aquí para tu ver. La policía va a te llevar. Oh, you used to try to punch me in the face. You used to try to punch me in the face.
Because?
All right, keep it quiet, keep it talking. You used to try to punch me in the face. Go ahead. Hey, come here. Come. So the guy over there, he was very angry. He tried to push me down. He tried to punch me in the face. He tried to scare me. He's gonna get in trouble.